Hi guys, I'm back. So today I'm making a cute little succulent pot and matching tray using plaster and silicone molds. For this project I'm using plaster, water, a measuring cup, a mixing bowl, a spoon and 2 silicone molds. For this plaster, I'm using approximately 1 part plaster to 0.7 parts water. Always check the instructions for the plaster you're using, since the recommended ratio can vary between brands. First, I'm measuring out the plaster. Try not to create too much dust while doing this and avoid breathing in the dry plaster powder. I'm adding the measured plaster directly to my mixing bowl. Next, I'm adding water. I like to measure everything before mixing so I can get the consistency right from the beginning. Now gently mix the plaster and water together. Make sure to scrape around the bottom and sides of the bowl so there are no dry pockets left. Keep mixing until the mixture looks smooth and creamy. You want it to be fluid enough to pour easily into the mold. Once everything is mixed, I give the bowl a few gentle taps. This helps bring some of those little trapped air bubbles to the surface. Now it's time to pour. I'm starting with a small tray mold. Pour slowly and try to keep the stream fairly thin. This can help prevent extra air from getting trapped in all those little details. Once the mold is filled, gently tap it against the work surface. You can also wiggle or lightly flex the silicone mold to encourage bubbles to rise. For these small pieces, I let them sit for around 1 hour before attempting to remove them from the molds. Next is the little succulent pot. I'm giving the plaster another gentle stir before pouring it into the mold. Again, pour slowly and make sure the plaster reaches all the way around the mold. Once it's full, give the mold plenty of gentle taps. This step is especially useful with deeper molds because air bubbles can easily get trapped along the sides. Once the plaster feels firm, it's time for the best part, demolding. I'm starting with a tray. Gently put the silicone away from the edges instead of pulling hard on the plaster itself. Then slowly peel the mold back. And there it is. I love how smooth the surface turned out. So now for the succulent pot. Because this mold is deeper, I'm taking my time and carefully peeling the silicone away little by little. Try not to force it, especially around thin edges. And pop! Our little plaster pot is out of the mold. Even though the pieces are firm enough to remove from the molds, they still contain moisture. I'm going to leave them somewhere dry and well ventilated. And here are our little plaster pots and matching tray. Once they are completely dry, you can leave them natural, sand any rough edges, or paint and decorate them however you like. If you'd like to see how I paint and finish these, subscribe to plastglass for more cute DIY tutorials.